Office hours.
Let's take a minute to talk about the three means of invented ethos. We know ethos as one of Aristotle's rhetorical appeals.
I know that. Why wouldn't I know that?
The persuasiveness of ethos rests in the character or credibility of the speaker or writer. There are two types of ethos. Situated ethos is not part of the art of rhetoric. It's just about coasting on who people know you to be. We're going to talk about invented ethos. Invented ethos builds credibility in the speech itself. Aristotle gives us three means.
One.
Phronesis, or demonstrating practical wisdom.
Two.
Arete, or demonstrating that you're virtuous in the eyes of the audience.
And three.
And Eunoia, or making sure that the audience knows you have goodwill toward them. And like the rhetorical appeals, they overlap and can combine. Remember, good sense, good character, good intentions. That's the skinny on invented ethos.
Doctor.
What's the 411?